I do want to say that, you know, I'm teaching Dowsing 101, and you think, well, I don't need to know about Dowsing 101, but let me ask you this. If you don't get clear answers to your questions, if you don't get clear, crisp guidance on demand, if you don't rely on it in a way in which you can trust it, then this course is for you. This will help you get out of your own way and get crystal clear guidance so that you can ask questions about your love life, your health, your wealth, your family, your health of those of yourself, and even of your client. So it'll take your business to another level. So whatever modalities you know as a healer, adding dowsing to it, it will really take your healing practice to another level. So I'd
Mhm.
love for you to join us. It will be going over a course that's already been created, but you'll be able to ask lots of questions and answers and help me make the course even better for the next people that want to sign up for it. So basically, I'm looking for 5 people or more to join me to help rearrange this course. You'll get it. You will get it on a reduced rate, and I'll really truly appreciate it. If we don't have 5 people, we'll just wait until we do, and then
Ah,
we'll run the course. Okay.
there you go.
So I'm in no rush. I'm looking for the 5 people who really want to do this. And if you want to do a trade with me, or if you want to help write the text out or transcribe the text, or you want to come up with some relationship to produce this, then I'm willing to look at that as an opportunity as well. But it'll
Yeah,
be,
there we go.
has to be an energy exchange. So I need 5 people who really want to take this to the next level. This will be a brand new course in the brand new academy, which will be launching within the next 30 days. So very
Awesome.
exciting time.
Next 30 days.
In the next 30 days.